All right, guys, it's day 16 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using dollar cost average to buy PHT and other meme coins. So today we are going to be buying PHT and another coin, but not meme coin this time around. It's going to be an altcoin under Binance Smart Chain. So we are going to add, altcoins under Binance Smart Chain to the coins we are gonna be buying, so everything won't be meme coins, understand? So this other coin we are gonna be buying is a decentralized exchange token, a decentralized exchange, a perpetual exchange, just like Hyperliquid, Asta, and what's it called? Avantis, AVNT. All right, so this Hyperliquid, Asta, and Avantis, like I discovered them when their price was, not high. Okay, so and I have been observing them. They are performing well, and they are definitely going to perform well in the sense that like the best alternative to centralized exchange right now is the decentralized exchange. And as a matter of fact, the decentralized exchange is supposed to even be the number one because crypto is decentralized. So I don't know the reason why we all are using centralized exchanges like Binance. And as a matter of fact, we all rely on decentralized exchanges. We can't do without centralized exchanges. And like the foundation and the objective of crypto blockchain is decentralization. Okay, so I don't want to talk too much. As usual, let's buy PHT and then we're gonna go buy this altcoin. All right, and we are gonna add it to our coins list. Okay, so as you can see, we are pushing forward, we are progressing. I'm gonna click on PHT right now, and I'm going to click on swap BNB. So let's buy 0.005. Okay, swap via OKX. Confirm. All right, so now we have 1352 PHT. Okay, so before the challenge we should have up to 10,000 PHT or even more than that, so next thing, let's go to the screener. So this is the altcoin that I'm talking about. Okay, Kilo, and the current market cap now is 8.9 million. Okay, while the other DEX perpetual token or altcoins, they are around $1 billion, $200 million market cap. So now let's check the chart. Okay, so from the chart we can see that this has retraced and it's about to fly, right? So based on what I'm seeing on the chart right here, okay, so this is actually another block. Okay, this is actually another block. Okay, right here. So as you can see, when it gets to this area, the price reversed, so it could fly like crazy. All right, so let's copy the the contract address. Okay, so let's go buy some as usual. So I'm gonna click on BNB, then click on swap, then paste. So let's buy with 0.003. Okay, so click on swap. Confirm. Good. So we've bought PHT and the Kilo altcoin. So that's it for today, guys. All right, so stay tuned for the update tomorrow. I really hope you found this video helpful. All right, and don't forget to share, subscribe if you're here to subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, peace out.